Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another iHealth Eat and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Wanna have a look at my t-shirt? Invaderism. Those who know. Today is another what I eat in a day high raw vegan. I want to show you all how simple it is to incorporate more raw food, more raw veggies and raw fruit in your diet. It's so important to make sure we're eating a whole heap of fresh vegetables, so many things from the earth. It does not have to be fully raw, but I also don't like it to be fully cooked either. I just love having a very healthy combination of the both of them. I have a fully raw vegan no cookbook out with over 60 exclusive recipes. If you're interested, the link to it will be in the description box down below. Today is the very last day of the Covings Labor Day sale. If you all have been following me for a minute, you wanna know I love my cold pressed juices. I love my cold pressed juices. I have at least 1 cup a day. I love all of Covings products. Their warranties last 15 years and they make incredible products. My juicer can not only make cold pressed juice, alright, it can also make nut milk, it can make sorbet, and it can even make smoothies. So the link to that will be in the description box as well, and there's literally like basically 12 hours until the sale ends. It's 20% off all the juicers and blenders. With that being said, if you're interested in any of the recipes in today's video, you can go ahead and check the description box. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Guys, please excuse my crusty voice, okay? I literally just woke up. But this is a recovery drink after having an intense workout at the gym. I was on the Stairmaster for like 30 minutes. Round of applause for me, please. It's just beet juice and coconut water and other stuff mixed in. It's so good. That's it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching what I eat in a day. Make sure to follow on Instagram and TikTok if you want more daily content. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!